Welcome to Toyota Digital Marketing Reports. I am Rosel Nadera, presented this a slide presentation. Let us see our overview. First is profile, strategy, website, social media, advertising, and last is ethics. This is our company profile from Toyota. Company profile Toyota Motors Corporation, headed by President and members of the Board of Director, Representative Director Kaji Sato. It is founded on August 28, 1937, with a capital as of March 31, 2023, there are 635 billion yen capitals as of March 31. And the stakeholders with a stake composition. The Toyota Motors vehicle production and sales, which is a main business activities. A number of employees has, as of March 31, 2023, 70,056 and a consolidated 375,235, and Toyota company was were found on head office Hansha with the address of Toyota City, Aichi Prefecture, 4718571 Japan, and with phone number 0565282121. Next is Toyota strategy. Toyota strategy focus on achieving operation excellence, continuous improvement, and innovation in manufacturing and logistic industry. We have mentioned three strategy with marketing strategy, Toyota production system, and innovation strategy. Toyota marketing strategy focus on showcasing its innovative technology and feature to difference itself, differentiate itself from its competitors. The company products are designed to cater to the evolving needs of consumer with a focus on safety, reliability, and performance. Toyota production system was established based on two concepts, Jidoka, which can be loose, loosely translated as automation with a human touch. As when a problem occurs, the equipment stops immediately, preventing defective product from being produced, and the just-in-time concept in which is processed. Innovation strategy. Toyota also means blending competition with creative as creative contribution it takes seriously. This has been made an essential part of their performance review as well as evaluation perspective. They work as team that is overlaid on intense competition to get the pure winning ideas. Toyota website will found this as you can see in the screen, and you can see explore vehicle, buying guides, cure and maintenance, what's new and discover Toyota. This is the official website of our company. This is our social media metrics, toyota.com. Toyota is a global rank of 2,246, negative 18, or negative 1,118. Current rank with a specific country, United States, 476. and it is a number one category for the vehicle uh, industry. Uh, Also, Toyota with a 18.7 million total visit and with a 45.09% bounce rate and 6.78 per visit, page per visit, with 4, 4 minutes and 18 seconds duration. Traffic engagement, traffic and engagement analysis. As you can see here on the screen, Toyota has a highest, it is a number one company in when in terms of vehicle. From the Philippines, this is the Toyota Motor official social media account for official news and promos. You can visit all these websites from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and Viber. Advertisement. Toyota could create a digital marketing advertisement focusing on their commitment to sustainability and eco-friendly driving. As you can see, we have four strategies that Toyota did on their company. The ad could feature their hybrid or electric vehicles showcasing their advanced technology and environmental benefits. The second one is Toyota could highlight the reduced carbon emission cost saving on fuel and overall positive impact on the planet. The third one is Toyota could emphasize how driving their vehicles is not just about getting from point A to point B, but also about making a conscious choice for a greener future. And the last one is they could also incorporate user-generated content such as testimonial from satisfied customer who have embraced Toyota eco-friendly vehicles. Toyota company ethics. Some key ethics and values that Toyota emphasizes includes first, integrity. Toyota prioritizes honesty, transparency, and ethical conduct in all its business dealings. This includes being truthful in advertising, product claim, and interaction with customers, employees, and stakeholders. The second one is respect for people. Toyota values the dignity, diversity, and right of all individuals, including employees, customers, suppliers, and communities. They strive to create a workplace culture that fosters mutual respect, teamwork, and personal growth. And the third one, ethic, is continuous improvement. Toyota is committed to the pursuit of excellence and continuous improvement in all aspects of its operations. This includes striving for innovation, efficiency, and, and quality while minimizing waste and maximizing value for customers and society. The third one ethic is environmental sustainability. Toyota recognizes its responsibility to minimize its environmental impact and promote sustainable practices throughout its value chain. This includes reducing carbon emissions, conserving resources, and developing eco-friendly technologies and products. And second to the last, corporate citizenship. Toyota actively engages with communities and stakeholders to contribute positively to society. This can include philanthropic initiatives, volunteerism, and partnership aimed at addressing social and environmental challenges. And the last one is compliance and legal responsibilities. Toyota adhere to all applicable laws, regulations, and industry standard in the countries where it operates. They also maintain a commitment to ethical business practices and compliance with internal policies and guidelines. And that's all. For any question, you can reach me out or 0912-750 or 81604, or you can email me on naderarosel@gmail.com.